Little Remedies Infant Essentials Kit. Saline Spray by Little Remedies is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Value pack contains 3 baby essential remedies. Safe for newborns. Contains Saline Spray drops for noses 0.5 FLs, gas relief drops for tummies 10 FLs, gripe water for tummies 20 FLs. No artificial flavors or dyes, no high fructose corn syrup or saccharin, paraben and gluten-free Little Remedies Infant Essentials Value Pack. Safe for newborns. Saline Spray Drops is a drug-free product which helps loosen mucus secretions from the nose and sinuses to help little ones breathe easy. Gripe Water is a highly effective, gentle herbal supplement which eases stomach discomfort from gas, colic, hiccups and fussiness. Gas Relief Drops is a safe remedy which gently relieves gas in minutes. It contains no artificial flavors, artificial dyes, high fructose syrup, saccharin, and parabens.